Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Ever struggle with wanting to sell stuff and you're not sure what to sell? Well, here's a gift basket idea and I'm going to explain all the points. All right, so have you ever had a moment where you're just struggling to find things to sell? So anyway, I have an idea for gift baskets. It's not just an idea, it's a proven point that I've actually done. So a couple of things to remember when doing gift baskets is basically you're making it easier for the consumer. Instead of the consumer going out and finding 15 different things that they like and putting them together themselves, you're doing that footwork for them and then charging them for it. So consider the season. Is it Christmas time? Is it Easter? Is it Valentine's Day? Is it a birthday gift basket? Is it a men's gift basket? There are various different things you can do. I built a gift basket around Christmas time, which I'll show you more in detail, but as you can see, has Santa Claus on it. So, and then you have to think about the product. Is the product replenishable? Can you go back to that store that you purchased it from and buy it over and over again? Consider the cost. When you purchase all the things you put in the gift basket, how much is this going to cost? Is it going to be sold at a reasonable price? The biggie is a picture presentation. And for the most part, your picture will sell this item. So I have an example of a picture. I'll put it up on the screen. So this is an example of the gift basket I'm going to show you that I've already done. And then I've got another smaller one that I'll show you that I did as well. And so those pictures you should have seen. And then consider the shipping. Most gift baskets that you sell on various different platforms generally have free shipping. And so you have to, when pricing your item, take that into consideration. I always do calculate my shipping based on the furthest away that it could possibly go in the United States. And then I always do calculated shipping for anything that goes internationally because it's difficult to calculate that. But US, I always do free shipping. And then which platforms are you going to sell on? Is it going to be Amazon? Is it going to be eBay? Is it going to be Poshmark? Is it going to be Facebook Marketplace? There's various different places you can sell on, even your own website. I've got mine, hookedonpickin.com, that I've got some of these gift baskets on. I've got a really cool men's one. So here's my example of what I did for a gift basket. So I bought this little basket. Very inexpensive. I put some red paper in it. Now I took this one apart so it doesn't look as beautiful now as when I put it together. But let me give you the breakdown of what I spent on each thing. So this item and this item both came in a group of like 3 or more. And then the same with the candy canes. And so between these two items and the candy canes, that was about $1. The basket itself was about $1. The wrapping that I put around it and the red paper was about 50 cents to $1. This was $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. And so in total, when I added everything up, as well as the ribbon too, when I added up all the various different things I put into this gift basket, it cost me about $8 to put this particular gift basket together. Once I put everything in it, what I did when I took the picture is like this, obviously, when I put all the stuff in here is not going to be seen. And so I propped it up for the picture. But then when they actually receive the item, it's there in there secure. And so I was able to put everything in the gift basket and display it very appropriately. Like I said, I did a much better job in my picture. But once I get everything in there, you can see everything good. This was propped up a little bit higher for my picture's sake, as well as the Russell Stovers. I also picked some specific name brand items. People like Russell Stovers, they like Godiva, they like chocolate covered cherries, things like that. And so once I put this together, then I wrapped it in the cellophane. I took my packing tape, I put it around the center, sorry if that's loud, and then I looped it. As you can see, I've already pulled this off. And then I just used my scissors to curl these ends so that it has a very nice presentation. And I'll show you the end presentation in a picture. Just so you know exactly what it looks like. So presentation is a biggie with this. It's a gift basket. They want it to look nice. Now, if doing all of that work with the cellophane and everything is difficult for you, or you don't even want to do the hassle, you could go even simpler. This is a candy gift basket that I did. It's chocked full of candies. I think it's got some, let me see, I've got a couple of big things in there. but I have a picture of this. It's got chocolate covered cherries. It's got a candle in there. And so this is an already made gift box. And so if that's something that kind of appeals to you, then you can do that as well. But you must consider the cost. You have to pay for this. And so this is a really cute one. I'll show a picture of everything that's in that. But those are all for sale on my Poshmark store, as well as I believe on my eBay store. So thinking outside the box when you're trying to find things that you can replenish all the time, and do gift baskets. And so they take a little bit of time, but it's totally worth it because you can make the same one over and over and over again. Now, some of these things, obviously in the future, I would not be able to find this in the future because it's a Christmas time only item. But I made a bunch and I've already sold quite a few. As far as this particular gift basket, the large one that I showed you the example of, I remember I spent $8 for it, and then I took into consideration I'm going to spend anywhere from $3 to $5 to ship it. I actually was selling these particular gift baskets for $24.99, and so in pocket I profited about $7 to $8 after all my fees, after my purchase of product, and after all my shipping. So $7 to $8 is not bad when you're talking about putting together something simple like this. Plus, it's a nice thing to offer the people from your Poshmark store, from your eBay store, from your own website, things like that. So an example of gift baskets: consider the season. Christmas may be over now, but you've got Valentine's Day coming up. You've got Mother's Day, Father's Day, various different things. So put things together that'll work for those particular people and those particular seasons. And I hope this has been helpful in thinking outside the box, and being able to sell some things. You can even find things from liquidation companies like Bulk. But anyway, hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.